What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. About a year ago, we had a show that we did at Galpin. That was the first time we worked together with those guys, and we had a blast doing it. So they're doing the same show. They're having it this Sunday, and we need to take most of our cars, basically, that they've worked on, and obviously the Raptor S, to the show. So that's what I'm going to do with Farghini right now, and we have a bunch of surprises for you guys. So let's get rolling right now. Let me go get Porsche, and let's get this Raptor S on the road, baby. So I think the first car I'm gonna take is the Carrera GT. Why? Yeah, I can trailer the car, but I also don't like when people get in the car and drive it because no one knows how to use the clutch on the car. It's completely different, and I know that a lot of people have heard about this because they know it. It's a racing clutch, so it works completely different from a standard clutch, and most people don't understand it. Whenever you tell them, let me park it because it's a manual and it's a different type, it's like, I know what I'm doing. They get in and immediately stole the car, and you can just smell the clutch burning like a motherfucker and $30,000 leaving your pocket. So that's why I think I'm gonna drive that first. And ask Farghini to take this, and that actually, the Raptor S will be all commuter, and that's gonna be the last one we drop off. Oh, and speaking of pink things, these hats that we have for sale available at shopsalomondrin.com, 50% of all profits are gonna be donated so that they can go towards cancer research, and any touches close to home because I know a couple of people that have and are going through the battle with cancer and breast cancer. So, support it right now, peeps. And if you don't have the money to do it, just always make sure that you can share something and make people aware of the problem so that we can donate more and find the cure sooner than later. Thank you. Farghini, would you make me the happiest man on earth and drive my Raptor?
Yes!
Yes!
Can I drive in Baja mode?
No! Let's go! And the reason why I'm so excited to come today is because this car show is not just a car show like every other boring one. They bring pretty much anything that's fun with wheels. They're just dropping off all of the cars. God damn it, Jordan, what's up? Farghini and I dropped off the first car, which was the Carrera GT, and now we're heading back to get the second one. I am 100% sure there's a more efficient way of doing this, but part of our lives, guys. And also, I enjoy the drive. Why not? I legitimately forgot we had that one. So we don't even have to bring that one, Farghini.
That's why I looked at it, I was like, isn't that your truck?
It is. Let me tell you this, guys, and I don't take it for granted ever. When I was a kid, I remember I had one dream where I had a Maserati. I know, my dreams were super low budget when I was a kid. Always dream bigger, guys. When I was a kid, I dreamt that I had a Maserati that I had forgotten that I owned, and I walked into someone's garage and they were like, dude, are you gonna take your Maserati? And I was like, oh, right, I own a Maserati. Forgetting that I own a car is always like a goal in life. Like, you have so many cars that you forget. That just happened, people. It just fucking happened, Farghini.
That's hilarious.
So Danny just messaged us and told us that he's got the brand new Panamera hybrid, right? The super crazy one.
Sport ST Pour.
That's right.
Turbo hybrid.
I've always wanted to drive that car because it's the only one that has that powertrain from the 918 into a car. So I want to see how that translates into that because it's got to feel so aggressive.
Actually, yeah, you're a perfect person to try that because you saw what you felt with 918 was, and you'll see how it translates into a Panamera.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be a beast of a car.
And I actually think I was filming literally the back seats while you were talking. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. Here we are, and here's the Panamera. Danny's already going to get the keys. This is gonna be sweet, guys. This is a Panamera Turbo S, but it's the hybrid one. That's right. That means it's got 918 instant torque and instant power off the line. So what am I expecting here? Lots of power from 0 to 60, and that's all I want to see. Farghini, do you agree that all we want to experience is the launch?
Yeah, just the launch. By the way, Danny told us to go inside. There's a car, and he says, oh, go inside the car and just look up. He said, just get in this car and just look up.
Okay. Whoa! Holy shit. Okay, so this is a Rolls-Royce Wraith, but it's a black badge too, but it's a special edition within a special edition of a special edition. And I am not fucking with you guys. This is the black badge Wraith Adams, I don't know, it's 1 of 40. And that is the difference. Obviously the color inside, like the contrasting color. And there's some materials that I just love that I've never seen before, like these. And they have it on the door, but obviously the Starlight is like their game changer. But outside the color, and I wish you guys can see this, kind of looks black, but it's not. It's a blue that's so beautiful and different from everything I've ever seen. That is a very special color, and I think I'm gonna use this color for a very special car.
You see this? It's your favorite combination. It's a black badge, special edition black badge on top of a special edition.
That's what I just said.
No, you said.
Hang on. Danny, come here, go on the other side. Go on the other side. Danny's stunting on me right now. I came over and Danny's trying to stunt on us right now. He goes, "Oh, did you guys know that there's diamonds on the watch?" Like, I told you that, motherfucker. I'm the one who noticed that. Trying to play me like that. And you can take this car for the moderate amount of $440,000. $443,850. No discount to your boy? Or you can buy a Raptor S and we'll make you this.
That's right.
Ooh. Smells like rich people, fuck. So these have already a key already installed.
There's only 841 miles on this.
Yeah.
Boom.
Hold on, which one do we want, Danny?
Sport Plus, obviously. Right? Yeah.
Twisted, I think, on your steering wheel.
No, it's all touch.
No, yeah, and also you have it right here.
Got it.
So you have both. Okay. Here we go. It doesn't feel that fast.
It doesn't feel brutal. I think we're doing something wrong.
And the braking is phenomenal. Yeah, it doesn't feel that fast.
We're not activating something.
Dude, it feels fucking faster back here.
It has rear wheel steering, right?
I believe so.
Yeah, you can, oh my God. It's a really good car. It's not as fast as I thought it would be.
But we're not like launching it correctly.
Dude, I'm telling you we are. Put it on, hang on. Maybe hybrid or e-power. Or that's all electric.
Yeah, I think that's all. That's not available.
So let's try that. How about that?
Okay. Watch it go into Prius mode.
I would hope not. Here we go. Do you think this is gonna be it? Now I feel it. You can do launch, but it's not about that. It's supposed this. Huh.
Don't get me wrong. This is
incredibly fast.
Yeah. Power. It's just not the explosive one we were
expecting.
Yeah.
That's it. But I mean, it's so fast and do the turning. Listen, fuck Porsche, but the turning in this thing is delicious. The power is dope too, by the way. It's not a 918 like.
It's a
gradual. It's very elegant.
Whoa. That's pretty fast. See, now the weird thing is, no, listen. I usually feel sensation on the passenger seat.
Yeah.
I couldn't feel it, but as a driver, I feel it. It's weird.
I mean, it's an exciting car. It's not leaving you like, oh, it's not fast,
it's just,
but it's not crazy. It's not the punch that the 918 gave you. That I thought, that's what I thought it was. I guess when you come in with the wrong information, people, that's why we gotta make sure that we get it right. Because this is fast as fuck. Yeah, it's super fast.
You know what it is? It's a super fast, comfortable sedan, like.
Yeah, no shit.
Car, not a sports like. It does its job, but it's not for me.
Good job, Farghini.
His first accurate review. Look at this guy. It's looking so beautiful.
Bracing yourself?
Get it. It did push me back. Okay. It is really fast. It is really fast. It's just not
the kind of fast that we like.
Yeah. It's not the aggressive fast, but it's very, very fast.
Yes.
I really like this car.
Yeah.
But also, fuck Porsche. Now it's your turn. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, so here we are with all the artillery for the show, and I want to show you guys something really, really cool. It's just a little something, but I'm in love with it, and it's not whatever Ray's putting together.
That's what you're excited about?
Right? No.
It's got the Senna.
Oh, the window of the Senna. You're right.
That's where Senna got the idea from?
That's where the Senna comes from. Oh, the more you know, guys. That is what I wanted to show you. Those are the wheels. They look so legit in real life. And look at these.
Do you think the finish that we're seeing is going to translate on camera?
No, it's impossible.
You think the better camera will pick it up?
But I don't know if I can, because I'm in charge of B-roll today, guys. So I'll bring the camera and let's see what he does. But if not, Farghini, you hungry?
Very hungry.
Let's fucking roll.
Wait, you said this is there's only 2 cars that have this or something?
Well, that's the only production car with pocket doors.
Only production car with pocket doors.
Wow, they're so cool. Hey, forget about the Koenigsegg doors. This is what we need.
This is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we start looking at how to put pocket doors.
There you go.